Okay, good day everyone. Welcome back to ECC 9 Program and Policies with Enterprise Development video lesson. I will be your narrator, Virgilio Barcena. In today's topic, we will be discussing the Magna Carta for micro, small, and medium enterprises. This is by means of empowering MSMEs or the micro, small, and medium enterprises for inclusive economic growth. So what is the Magna Carta for MSMEs? This is the Republic Act number 9501, okay, which is enacted in 2008. Okay. This amends the RA 6977. This aims to promote, support, strengthen, and encourage the growth of MSMEs in the Philippines. The objective of the law is that it will foster national development through entrepreneurship, promote job generation and inclusive economic growth, enhance access to finance, markets, and technology, encourage innovation and competitiveness. Now, we already talked about the MSMEs, okay? The micro, small, and medium. In order for you to have to become micro enterprise, okay, your asset has to be around 3 million and your number of employees will be 1 to 9. In order for you to become small enterprise, it's between 3 to 15 million and an employee of 10 to 99. Medium enterprise would consist about 15 million to 100 million and an employee of 100 to 199. So what are the provisions of the Magna Carta? The mandatory credit allocation, 10% banks loan portfolio for MSMEs, access to government programs by means financing, training, technology transfer, the creation of the MSME Development Council for policy coordination and program planning, the Barangay Micro Business Enterprise. This provides tax incentives and support. So what would be the role of the MSME Development Council? They are the policy making and coordination body. It is chaired by the DTI Secretary. It includes representatives from private sector, government, and NGOs, or non-government organization. It ensures implementation and monitoring of the MSME development plans. What would be the support or what would be the supporting programs under the law? First, you have your financing support. This is by means of credit program via GIF or GFIs, okay, like Land Bank or Development Bank of the Philippines. Technology transfer, the DOST programs for productivity. Training and education via DTI, TESDA, and other agencies. Market access, trade fairs, and online platforms or Go Local program. So what would be the incentives for the MSMEs? An income tax exemption for the BMBS. An exemption from minimum wage law. This is for the BMBES. Priority in government procurement and technical assistance and training. So what would be the challenges in its implementation? Limited access to credit due to collateral issue. Low awareness of programs among MSMEs. Regulatory compliance burdens, and digital and technological gaps. We have recent developments and amendments of the law. Digitalization incentives, DTI's One Town, One Product support, push for e-commerce and innovation, and propose amendments to improve access to finance. So in conclusion, the MSMEs are the backbone of the economy. The Magna Carta provides essential support for growth. Its stronger implementation and awareness are needed, and a call to support and empower local entrepreneurs. So that will be the end of the topic. This is Virgilio Barcena for ECC9 Program Policies and Enterprise Development video lesson. Thank you.